Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. This will be 3 separate days of cleaning, so I am doing a little bit on each day, and I just decided to put all of the footage together. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. And as always, before we dive right in, if this is your first time here, then hello. Welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. I am in the kitchen because I had recently come home from the grocery store, and I am just going to be cleaning out the refrigerator, wiping everything down so I can get everything put away.
Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
My ace boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take your way up, but the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star. Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying.
Now that the dishes are done and the countertops are wiped off, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off the fruit that I picked up from the grocery store and get it put away in individual containers so that I can put it in the refrigerator. I did share this grocery haul with you guys in a previous vlog. I will find it and have it linked down in the description box just in case you guys are interested in what I picked up from the grocery store. So once I finish this, I am going to clean the floors. I'm going to pass the vacuum as well as the steam mop.
Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to open the scars he left behind. You won't believe who he's calling that to. You don't deserve what he's putting you through. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. Promise you'll end it the second you can. Promise I'll be here to hold you, my friend. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. He's seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to cry every tear you got inside. And baby, I know it hurts.
Moving on to day 2, I am going to be working in my office to get it back together. This has been a catch-all spot, so there's shoes that need to be put away, some jackets, and I'm also going to be going through and getting rid of any old receipts and papers that I do not need. Once I do that, I am going to be wiping down everything really good as well as passing the vacuum.
Courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking if it's a shot at love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how.
This is day 3 and I'm going to be starting off in the master bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and make the bed up as well as dust and vacuum in here. I am doing laundry while I am recording this portion of the video, so I will be folding a load of sheets that will be coming out of the dryer. I did want to mention to you guys that this video was not recorded 3 days in a row. It's definitely broken up because a lot of the times this is how I clean. So when people ask me how often do I clean, the honest answer is every single day. Some days I do not get to really clean the entire house from top to bottom in one day, and it has to be broken up over several different days. So I wanted to show you that if you do a little bit of something each and every day, it makes a huge difference in your home. This is very realistic for a lot of us that cannot just block out 5 hours in a day or 8 hours in a day to get a lot of cleaning done. So that's why I wanted to share this with you guys. This is very realistic for me during the week, where I just have to do several different tasks throughout the week in order to keep our house up and running.
You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside.
Not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction.
Moving into the guest bedroom, I am going to go ahead and get the bed cleared off. I did switch out the curtains in here from the blue and white curtains that I had, and I just put up some white shears. They just brighten up the room so much more, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to be putting the bed back together because, as I've mentioned, we do love to just hang out and lounge in here, and I am going to be dusting as well as vacuuming.
Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. You show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing, did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction, went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe, yeah. You showed it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me, yeah, lost for you.
Alright guys, so I am going to go ahead and wrap up the video here. Again, if you all enjoyed, definitely do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on this style of video down in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
I could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I